Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to make an anonymous post in a Facebook group. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Facebook app on your phone and tap on its icon to open it. Once the app opens up, go to the profile page by tapping on your profile picture at the top right corner. Next, find the groups you are a member of and then tap to open the groups where you want to make an anonymous post. Once you are in the group, locate the comment box where you can add a post. Under the comment box, you should see an option of an anonymous post. Tap on it to proceed. A pop-up will appear informing you that your profile name and image will not be visible to the viewers. Tap Got it to acknowledge. Now create your post according to your need. Ensure that the anonymous post toggle at the top is enabled. Finally, tap on Post button to share your anonymous post in the Facebook group. And that's it. This is how you can make an anonymous post in the Facebook group. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.